This is example 4, April 2018, 7 marks. Okay, an I section joist 400 mm by 200 mm by 20 mm. Okay, let us draw this detail. Okay, so it's I section, I section 400, 200, okay, and 20. Each flange thickness is 20 and also web thickness is 20, and 6 meter long. L is a 6 meter strut, that means column, with both ends fixed. Both ends are fixed. So what is LE? LE is L by 2, that means 6 divided by 2, 3 meters. So LE is 3000 millimeters. Okay, what is Euler's crippling load? We are asked to calculate Euler's crippling load. Take Young's modulus is equal to 200 into 10 cube. This is very simple provided you know to calculate the moment of inertias. Okay, so if you see this section is symmetrical, when the I section is symmetrical, we can use direct values for calculating Ixx and Iyy. Okay, how do we know that section is symmetrical? If we draw a center line here, okay, CG of this is equal to this, isn't it? Okay, because the flanges are equal. Okay, that is why it is this equal to this. So x axis, that means bar y is exactly 200. Similarly, if you just divide this portion, the CG of each section here, each part passes through the CG of entire section. So this shows that it is symmetrical section. So we have some direct formulas and things are going to be very easy for us. So let us calculate PCR is equal to pi square EI by LE square. What is unknown here? Definitely I value is to be calculated. So what are we doing here? We are going to calculate Ixx, okay, about this horizontal axis. This is YY axis. So this is easy. Okay, 200 and 400. It's simple. BD cube by 12, 200 into 400, 200 into 400 cube by 12. Okay, I am considering, look at this sketch. This is very easy method when I section is a symmetrical section. Okay, this is very easy. 200 by 400, okay, so 200, I am considering this as a rectangular section. Okay, of course this is like this. I am considering this as a rectangular section. So BD cube by 12 of this, but then I am deducting this part. Okay, how much is this part? Okay, total minus this. So what I am going to do to deduct this? I am going to deduct this value. So it will be 200 minus 20. Okay, 200 minus 20. So I'll get this BD cube. Okay, this small value. So it will be how much? 400 minus 20 minus 20. So this is 360. So I'm going to write 360 cube. Right? 360 cube divided by 12. Okay, this 400 is this value. So 360 cube by 12. So this will be Ixx value. Let me calculate that. 10.67 into 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 raised to 8 minus this value. 200 minus 20 is 180. 180 into 360 cube divided by 12. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me write 7 into 10 raised to 8. Okay, so let me confirm. Yes, So I can 10.67 minus 7, this is 3.67 10 raised to 8 millimeter raised to 4. So we got Ixx value. What about Iyy? Iyy is dB cube by 12. So I have two flanges of same size, so that's why 2 d is 20 dB cube. Okay, so this is 200 cube. I am considering each part. Let me draw this again for you all. Okay, this is 200, this is 20, and both are same. I'm not writing it again. So 20 dB cube by 12 plus, okay, I have already considered this and this now, since I'm doing it 12, plus this part. Okay, this is 20, this is 360. So here this value into this. Okay, so 360 into 20 cube by 12. Fine. So add this 2 into 20 into 200 cube by 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 26.67 10 raised to 6 plus 360 into 20 cube divided by 12. So this is 24 into 10 raised to 4. So this is equal to 26.67 plus that value. Okay, 26.91 10 raised to 6 millimeter raised to 4. Now here we have Ixx value and Iyy value. Both are different values. Okay, when you are going to substitute the value here, okay, I value, it should be minimum of this two value. Okay, I is minimum of these two values, because we have learned in the concept there that we have to see the least moment of inertia to check the slenderness ratio. So what we can do is PCR is equal to pi square EI divided by LE square. I is what? Ixx or Iyy, whichever less. Okay, so here in this case, which one is less, which one is the minimum value? Okay, here Iyy is the minimum value. It is 26.91 10 raised to 6. You can compare this. Okay, and let us substitute. This is equal to 26.91 10 raised to 6. Okay, so this here pi square, E value is 200 into 10 cube Newton per millimeter square. I value is this what we have obtained, 26.91 10 raised to 6 divided by what is LE, 3000 square. Okay, this we can calculate 5.90 10 raised to 6 newtons. This completes the problem.